Hey, today I want to walk you through our Blue API. Please keep in mind that you need a developer on your end to help set this up, but this video will show you some of the basic code structure, where you can locate the docs of Blue API, and how to set up your playground. In this video, I will share with you 3 examples of creating to-do list, creating to-do, and delete to-do from our Blue API. Go to your profile setting, and from there you'll be able to access Blue API. Once you're in the API tab, click Generate the token. Name your token and set the expiration date, which is optional. Click to generate a token, and there should be your ID pop-up and a secret key. Make sure that you store this secret key somewhere safe. Here, we just store in our notes. Use this play icon to start your playground. Here is a quick walkthrough of Blue API. In the sidebar, you'll find the docs and schema. The left tab is for you to enter the query and get the response on the right tab. At the bottom here, you will find the HTTP headers, which is where you enter the necessary information. Enter the secret key that you saved earlier. Then you'll need to enter your company URL. Open the browsers to find the company slug, copy it, and then paste it here. Go to the project that you would like the actions to happen, and find the project ID on the browser link as well. What I'm doing here is a quick example of writing the query and mutation. You'll need to start with a query to request the information from the Blue project. Open a separate tab to find the project and company ID for later use. As you can see here, we're just showing you some example from creating to-do list code. You can enter this yourself on your end, but just to be quick, we will copy and paste. Make sure to copy the project ID from your previous tab, paste it in the ID fields, and you'll be able to run the query and receive a response that you've requested for this particular project. Now that you've opened your request, you can enter your mutations. While entering your mutations, don't forget to fill in your project ID, where you can just copy from the query above and enter the to-do list name in this title field. Once you enter your request, click on the play button to receive a response. Now, let's look at a Blue project and see the to-do list has been created. I will go ahead and create multiple lists so that we can build a project through the API. Here with the numbers, this is the positions of the to-do list. And what you do here is add the number together, and the higher number will fall next to the to-do list. Now, let's start create to-dos inside those to-do list. You will need to request another query for to-dos. Start by going back to the project tab and get your company IDs and project ID once again. Fill in those fields and click play to request this query. Once you make your request, you can now write your mutations, where you would like to create the to-do. You may need to run the query again to find the to-do list IDs. Copy the to-do list ID to your mutation and click play to receive a response. Let's look at our Blue project. Now you'll see the to-do has been created. Another example on how to enter your mutations, copy and paste your ID from your query request, and from there you'll be able to create to-dos from your Blue API. Let's look at how you can delete to-do from the Blue API. You can continue to write your mutations, type in delete to-dos, and enter the to-dos ID. Now again, click on the play button and select delete to-do. Go back to your project, and now you see the to-do has been deleted. Again, we do recommend you to have a developers on your end to write these codes, as this is only an example on how to use Blue API. Please send us a message at help@blue.io if you have any questions. Let us know what you want to see next.